if you are looking to migrate to the UK through master's degree in nursing, I shared last week about migrating to the UK with our IELTS. I've got questions about that video, so in this video I've decided to show the universities, 5 universities that accept international students to study in their schools, and they are also going to prepare the students to get registered with the Nursing and Midwifery Council UK. And you know what this means: you'll be able to get a full-time job as a nurse after schooling. Okay, so let's Hi, Linda Eze here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Linda Eze. I'm a registered nurse and I work in the UK. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the 5 universities that you can study master's degree in nursing and also become registered with the Nursing and Midwifery Council UK at the end of your study. I'm going to be showing the eligibility criteria, what they are requiring, the English requirements, the fees, and if there are funding opportunities for international nurses. So the first school that I'm going to be talking about is the University of Buckinghamshire. This university actually accepts international students to study master's degree in nursing sciences, and they prepare students to also get registered with Nursing and Midwifery Council UK afterwards.
So the entry requirement, which is what we want to see, you have that they accept 2-1 and above in any discipline at all, so they did not restrict it to only health related courses, and they also consider 2 to a high performing C2. For the English requirements, you can see this particular school accepts IELTS of 7 and above, 7 and with no individual component below 6.5, and you have evidence of study within the previous 5 years. And as you can see, additional requirement is that you have your verified evidence of 500 hours of related clinical practice in the last 3 years. So if you're not a health worker, you can decide to just go and get about 4 months of health related care practice evidence, like you go and get a contract to the hospital and work as a care assistant for 4 months. And the fees, as you can see, for international applicants is 13, approximately 14,000. You get all the information. However, I did see in this that this is a new course that is still under development. So what I will say is that even as you apply to the school, still apply to other schools.
One is the university I also mentioned in my previous video that got so many people asking me questions, the University of Bedfordshire. So this university actually does the same thing. The IELTS is not compulsory. In their website, you see that they accept WAEC results as well, and the degree certificate. So if you have those, if you have a 2-1 or a high 2-2, and you also have a WAEC certificate, you are most likely to get admission here. I'm going to be sharing what will actually may help you to increase your chances at the end of this video, so please just keep watching.
Starting in February, they are accepting applications. As you can see, you should have a good score in your BSc to qualify for their postgraduate degree. Usually 2-2-2-1 will be accepted, a very good result. And then for their fees and funding, you can see is also approximately 15,000. For the English requirements, as you can see, is an IELTS score of 6 and none less than 5.5. But they also have exemptions, as you can see. So the exemptions here, you can see that if you have a result, if you're from Nigeria, we usually have this WAEC result. So if you have your WAEC results and your BSc showing that you studied English, my dear, some people use this to get admission here, so do not be afraid. I'm feeling that the same thing applies to the other schools.
The KCL, King's College London. So this school also offers international students a master's degree in nursing, and KCL is a very, very good school.
School is a very good school in London, and if you continue, you see that the entry requirement as well is similar to the other ones, a 2-1, a high 2-2, and they also require that the person has a WAEC. And the English requirement, if you are not an English speaking, not from a country where English is their first language, they will require you to some funding. As you can see, for For international students, this one is like double of the ones that we have been seeing. Yeah, but if you have the money, go ahead.
So another university, the fourth university, is the University of Derby. So this university in Derby, it also offers master's degree in nursing.
At a glance, you can see it's a 2-year course. There is MSc postgraduate level, and the school fees is approximately £15,000 per year. This is the course description. The entry requirements, you can see they take 2 or above. English requirements, you can see that if English is not your first language, you must have achieved an IELTS score of at least 6.5. As I mentioned in my previous video, from the students that I've seen that studied in some of these schools, if you studied in English and you can show them that you also passed English in your WAEC and you used English to study in your previous education, they might consider you. So do not be afraid to apply. Just as funding, this particular school has funding opportunities for international nurses. So you see international students scholarship. So if you click here, you see that some people actually they have received scholarship to study in this school in the past. So they have discounts and they have scholarship, just like I mentioned in my previous video. If you have not watched that video, go back and watch that video. You might have an insight on what to do. Look at the stories, the testimonials of people that studied, and I know someone from Nigeria that also studied in that school.
The last but not the least university I want to talk about is the University of Hertfordshire. I mentioned this school as well in my previous video. So university actually accepts, I saw in their website they accept IELTS as their English requirements, but I was told someone that studied in English, and if you did your undergraduate degree in English, they might consider you, and you have a very good result from your degree course, this university might consider you. So if you would allow me to say, apply to all these schools. Do not be discouraged when you see the English requirement. They might take,
and they also said that grants are available in this course. I'm not sure if it's for international students, so just go. For the entry requirements, you can see a 2-1 in any subject at all. So they also consider 2-2, just like docs. So and they require the IELTS 6.5 or above. And if you do not have the English requirement, they also offer courses to help students and everything. Just like I mentioned, still apply fees, funding and fees. As you can see, they have scholarship even for the international students. Just have a look. They also have other financial support, which I think discounts and maybe pay by installment and stuff. And as you can see, for international students, the school fees are probably 15 to 16,000 pounds.
Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Good luck.